Hi guys, here 12 minus 6 is 6 divided by 2 plus 3 times 4 minus 5. Here this 6 divided by 2 is 3 plus 3 times this 4 minus 5. Here this 3 plus 3 is 6 times 4 minus 5. Here this 6 times 4 is 24 minus 5. Here 24 minus 5 is 19 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 19 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket higher priority than other operation. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the first priority is bracket. If we don't have the bracket in this problem, next priority is exponent. Here, exponent also not there in the problem. The next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have subtraction, division, addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here, this division and multiplications are higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So, we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition and subtractions. Here, multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here, left to right is this 6 divided by 2. So, we have to do this 6 divided by 2 before any other operation. So, 12 minus this 6 divided by 2 is 3 plus 3 times 4 minus 5. Here we have subtraction, addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here, multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So, we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtractions. So 12 minus 3 plus here 3 times 4 is 12 minus 5. Here we have subtraction, addition and subtraction. Here both are here equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 12 minus 3. Here 12 minus 3 is 9 plus 12 minus 5. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here both are equal priority. For this we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 9 plus this 12. 9 plus 12 is 21 minus 5. Here 21 minus 5 is 16 is the correct answer.